If you have not planned, you are planned to fail. It is a critical component. It is a very simple thing. The reason why the country is failing today is lack of plan. And when you talk about lack of plan, you talk about lack of implementation. Because you listen to us politicians, when we are campaigning, everything is sweet. Everything is good. Once we have the opportunity, then we'll bring out our true self and start doing the opposite. So when you talk about plan, you talk about implementation. I've listened to our keynote speaker. Thank you very much. Talk about the country. Trying to get how we can employ our people. All I can tell anybody is that there's nothing wrong with Nigeria. Nigeria has one of the best in terms of land, one of the best in terms of weather, one of the best in terms of God-given resources, and one of the best people. The only thing God has not given Nigeria is leadership. If we have good leaders, we will do better. On Saturday, just last Saturday, I was invited by a group of people, or college students, in Oxford University to talk about the blacks, to talk about Africa, to talk about the and I said to them, a country like Nigeria have no reason to be poor. If not because of leadership.